In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Lululemon security tag. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about what options you have to remove a security tag on a Lululemon item that you purchased. Usually, this can happen when you leave the store for various reasons, or if you purchase online. And you can try removing this on your own. However, I'm going to make something very clear. The best course of action would be to take it back to the store where you acquired it, and you will be able to get it done there. If you got the item online, you can still take it to any Lululemon near you, and you should be able to get this done. By far, the most convenient and effective way is just to go over to the store, and the Lululemon employees will have the proper tools and training to remove the tags without damaging your item. However, if this isn't an option for you, then just follow this video and I'm going to talk about all of the methods available. The most popular method, and the one that I want to mention first, is using two forks. So by using two forks, you can shove them underneath the actual security tag and try to get it out. So as you can see, for the first one, you just place it underneath the tag, and for the other fork, you place it beneath the first one. This will push the security tag up, essentially removing it. So the difficult part is getting underneath the tag. This is why using a fork is good. Because you are able to get the little pin that attaches the security tag to the item underneath these hooks on the fork, you can essentially just pull it up, and you can use the additional fork to get this done. Now, if you don't like this method or it doesn't work for you, something that you can try as well is using a strong magnet. Some security tags are magnetic and can be deactivated by placing a strong magnet near them. And finally, you can try using a screwdriver or pliers. Some security tags will have a small pin that can be loosened with these tools. So these will allow you to remove the tag as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Lululemon security tag. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.